Have you ever held a coin that secretly changed an entire country's currency system? Welcome back to World Coins Explorer, the place where we uncover the hidden power, history, and real value behind everyday money. Today we are exploring the incredible story of the 2017 £1 coin of the United Kingdom, a coin that did far more than just buy a cup of tea. This was not just another yearly release. It was a revolutionary redesign that replaced a coin used for more than 30 years. Most people spent it without realizing they were holding one of the most secure coins in the world. Stay with me, because this small piece of metal represents innovation, security, and modern British identity. The 2017 £1 coin was officially introduced on March 28, 2017 by the Royal Mint. This release marked the biggest change to the pound coin since it was first introduced in 1983. The older round £1 coin had become vulnerable to counterfeiting, with millions of fake coins estimated to be in circulation. To solve this problem, the Royal Mint created a completely new design with advanced security technology. The introduction of the new coin required businesses, vending machine companies, and banks across the UK to update their equipment. This shows how powerful a single coin redesign can be in a modern economy. One of the most noticeable differences in the 2017 £1 coin is its 12-sided shape, also known as a dodecagon. While it may look modern, this shape was inspired by the historic threepence coin used decades earlier in Britain. The unique shape makes it easy to recognize by touch and helps prevent counterfeiting. Unlike the old round pound, this new design stands out instantly in your hand. The shape also improves machine detection, making it both traditional and technologically advanced at the same time. The 2017 pound is also bimetallic, meaning it is made from two different metals. The outer ring is nickel brass, giving it a golden appearance, while the inner core is nickel-plated alloy with a silver color. This two-tone look not only makes the coin attractive but also adds another layer of security. The combination of metals makes it more difficult and expensive to copy illegally. Its weight is approximately 8.75 grams, and it measures about 23.43 millimeters in diameter, slightly thinner than the old version. One of the most impressive features of the 2017 £1 coin is its advanced security technology. It contains a hidden high-security feature similar to that used in banknotes. When tilted, a hologram-like image changes between a pound symbol and the number 1. This microlettering and latent image technology make it one of the most secure circulating coins in the world at the time of its release. The Royal Mint described it as the most secure coin in the world in 2017. The obverse side of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark. This was the fifth and final definitive coin portrait of the Queen used during her reign. Her image symbolizes continuity, stability, and British tradition. Around the portrait appears the inscription, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2017, which stands for, By the Grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This traditional Latin inscription connects modern coinage with centuries of British history. The reverse design of the 2017 pound is equally symbolic. It features a floral emblem combining the rose for England, the thistle for Scotland, the leek for Wales, and the shamrock for Northern Ireland. This design represents the unity of the four nations of the United Kingdom. The detailed engraving shows careful craftsmanship and national pride. It is a powerful reminder that a coin can serve as a symbol of identity and togetherness. When the 2017 £1 coin entered circulation, the old round pound coin was gradually withdrawn. Businesses were given a deadline to stop accepting the older version, and millions of coins were returned to banks. This transition period created confusion for some people, but it also highlighted how currency evolves over time. The withdrawal of the old coin marked the end of an era that had lasted more than 3 decades. From a collector's perspective, the 2017 £1 coin is widely available in circulated condition, as millions were minted for everyday use. However, uncirculated examples, proof versions, and mint-set coins are more desirable. Proof coins produced by the Royal Mint feature sharper details and mirror-like finishes. These versions are especially popular among collectors who appreciate high-quality strikes and limited releases. Error coins from 2017 are also of interest to collectors. Although rare, misstrikes, alignment issues, or unusual metal defects can increase a coin's value. Because of the advanced technology used in production, significant errors are less common, making them even more collectible when found. This adds excitement to checking your spare change. The 2017 £1 coin also reflects the economic and political climate of the United Kingdom during that period. Introduced shortly after the Brexit referendum, it circulated during a time of major national change and uncertainty. While the coin itself does not reference politics directly, it became part of everyday life during an important chapter in modern British history. In conclusion, the 2017 £1 coin is far more than just currency. It represents innovation, security, unity, and a turning point in British coinage. With its 12-sided shape, bimetallic design, advanced anti-counterfeiting features, and symbolic artwork, it stands as one of the most important modern UK coins. If you enjoyed discovering the real story behind this powerful coin, make sure to subscribe to World Coins Explorer, because every coin has a story, and sometimes, that story changes a nation.